Hey everybody, it's Canteen Cup Tuesday time. Hey, look here, about 3 weeks ago I made some mushroom tortellini, and the week before that I made a bacon ranch pasta salad. And today I thought I'd show you how you could make your own. If you don't have a Dollar Tree handy where you can get those smaller packs of pasta salad, you can do like this. I took some of that leftover tortellini and some macaroni, and I took some Harmony House vegetables along with some dried green scallions and some dried minced onion, and made myself up a nice vegetable packet. And then we're just going to use a ranch dressing for the salad dressing for it from the grocery store. So you can make this meal for the trail for, I don't know, less than $2. I'm gonna get my vegetables hydrating in a little bit of water while we start to boil some water for Gummy Bear's lunch. She doesn't like mushrooms, so she's gonna have one of these. Alright, so while the water gets boiling, another couple ideas you could use for your dressing is to get a pack of the dried ranch dressing, and you could take some mayonnaise packets and some olive oil along and mix that up on the trail and use however much seasoning you want. Or like I've got this sweet basil pesto, and this is just water and olive oil, and they suggest some Parmesan cheese. And wouldn't you know it, work ordered pizza the other night. So I loaded up again on the leftover Parmesan cheese and crushed red peppers. So that's some options for you. You just need some way to season up your pasta. You could simply use some olive oil and a seasoning mixture that you like from your cabinet at home. Also, when I was looking around last night, I found that they make some vegan mayonnaise options that are shelf stable. I think one of them is called Just Mayo, and so that's shelf stable, and you can take it on the trail with you and don't have to worry about refrigerating it. We're just a hair before a boil. Get this process started. Now those vegetables absorb most of that water I had them sitting in. And I'm going to leave the water level where it is because the pasta is going to take up room. Bring it back to a boil. Set Gummy Bear's lunch down here to hydrate. And actually, you know what? We're not going to waste fuel, right? And as soon as that comes to a boil, I'm going to cut that temperature way back, because it doesn't take as much heat and fuel to keep the water boiling once it's there. Alright, we're starting to boil. I'll cut that heat way back. Now, unfortunately for fuel efficiency, one of the things I've done is I've opened the lid over and over again to give it a little stir. I want to make sure my pasta doesn't stick to the bottom. So it takes a little longer to come to a boil that way. That way we don't have a mess to clean up afterwards also. Let it go for about 10 minutes. Alright, we've been boiling here for about 10 or 11 minutes, and really we've absorbed most of the water. I'm going to go drain a little bit of water off that's left. Man, I'll be honest with you, if I was making this at camp, boy, that water was a good looking broth. I would have poured that into a cup and enjoyed it. Mix this dressing in. They sell these little dressing packets at my grocery store. They're like 50 cents a piece, and they're shelf stable, just like unopened dressing you would get off the shelf. So you could get an Italian or a balsamic vinaigrette and do this. But I was kind of inspired by the bacon ranch pasta that I made the other day. So today we've got a mushroom ranch pasta. See if y'all can see what we got going on here. What do y'all think? Build your own pasta salad? Should we give it a quick taste? I think we should. Oh yeah, that's a winner. Man, that's a great idea. You can make any kind of pasta salad you want. I used Harmony House's soup mix and their mushrooms and a few other seasonings, and wow, it's really good. So, you know, if you have some leftover pasta, you know, you just figure out what you want to put in there. It's all up to you. You do anything you want. Remember when I did the bacon stuff, I showed you all those bacon options and all that you can put in here. Alright, well, I'm going to eat lunch and get back on the trail, and we'll see you there.